Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today I have P Smart 2021. I bought this phone today in a second-hand condition. It is not in a very good condition. It got some scratches at the back and the SIM tray is broken, but the phone works perfectly, and that's why I bought it in a very good price. And let's see if we can do some gaming test on it, and especially Call of Duty, PUBG Mobile, Free Fire and Farlight 84. Let's see how this phone performs. So in order to do that, we can get into the settings. Let me just check the system updates first, if any Android version available. So we can get into the system and updates, software update. So there is definitely software update available, and let's see if you can update this device. So okay, the new software update has been downloaded, and you can just install from pressing this install button. You can just say install. I need to restart my phone, so the system parameters has been updated. New system parameters have been installed. Your device will restart in several seconds, so I will do it manually. Okay, now the phone has been restarted and its updates is successful. So that's how you do software update on the Huawei P Smart 2021, and it's working really smooth at the moment. This phone is quite good. We can do some gaming test on it later. So thanks for watching.